Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp dip. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of cooked shrimp, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Don't forget fresh green onions, celery, and dill for that vibrant taste. A squeeze of lemon juice, a dash of Worcestershire, and a hint of hot sauce will complete your flavor profile. Now, let's prepare the star of our dip, the shrimp. If using raw shrimp, cook them quickly until they turn pink and opaque, which usually takes just 2 to 3 minutes. Once cooked, peel and deveined them thoroughly. Then, chop the shrimp into small, bite-sized pieces. It's crucial that your shrimp are completely cooled before you add them to the other ingredients. With your shrimp ready, it's time to assemble the dip. In a large bowl, combine the softened cream cheese, mayonnaise, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, and hot sauce. Mix until smooth and creamy. Gently fold in your chopped shrimp, green onions, celery, and fresh dill. Be careful not to overmix. Cover the bowl and chill the dip for at least 1 hour to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious shrimp dip is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it chilled with your favorite dippers like crispy crackers, toasted pita chips, or an assortment of fresh vegetables such as cucumber slices and bell pepper strips. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of paprika or a few sprigs of fresh dill. This dip is perfect for parties or a simple snack. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.